This is beauty supply store hair, which means that the quality is not going to be the same quality that you get from your vendor. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be coloring this hair. This is some beauty supply store hair. I am just going to do like a half head of highlights on this. And this section back here is, I got it sectioned off into four sections. One, two, three, and then this one section right here, this back section, I'm not putting any color on. So I'm going to be basically trying to give the illusion of a full head of highlight, but I'm only doing half of the head. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start off in this middle section here because low-key, this is the section that I want to be the brightest because it's gonna be like right here in my face. So I wanted to, I'm gonna go ahead and lighten this section first because I want it to be the lightest. Then I'm gonna do the sides and then the middle. Taking the hair here, I'm going to go up and down, up and down, up. And once I take those pieces of hair, with the final results of me dyeing this hair. And let me first say this. This is beauty supply store hair. Would I recommend coloring this hair? Maybe. Which means that the quality is not going to be the same quality that you get from your vendor. Now don't get me wrong, she does lighten. Exhibit A. She lightens. Is that I started lightening first. The pieces that got the blondest, they also slithered right off of this wig because the hair was burnt out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I did this originally as a quick weave wig, and then I just went on my sewing machine and made it into a actual wig because let me make sure I have secured the wig. Style, and this basically all I did the entire time I've had this hairstyle. I've put 2 flat twists in the front of my hair, and then I'll take the flat twist out and they blend great with this hair. Okay, but yeah, y'all, so the reason why I say maybe is because if you are trying to enlighten this hair to maybe a level 5 or 6, which you seemingly see here, then I would say go for it, because I don't feel like the hair was affected by the hair that was that I lightened to like a level 4, a level 5, or a level 6. However, there were some pieces in here that I lightened. Let me see if I can find some of the hair. There were some pieces in here that I lightened to a level, I would say it was probably like a level 8. And boy, the hair melted off the weft like butter. So if you are trying to go higher than this level, this copperish kind of auburn family color, I would say no. Outside of that, I would say yes. Now, what I will say that I noticed by lightening this hair is that the curl pattern did get a little looser. This is the Bohemian Curl, and the curl to me, I'm probably gonna insert a picture so y'all see what it looked like when I went on vacation for my birthday. The curl just gave more, the curl was tighter. It was a tighter curl, and now the curl is just a little bit of a looser curl, and it reminds me more of the Spanish curl. So again, if you're not trying to mess with the flow of the curls, you're not trying to mess up the curl pattern, then I would absolutely say leave the hair as is. Anyway, y'all, this is the final result. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I probably am going to cut some layers into here and maybe shape her a little on here. Either way, you guys will see the final result, a picture or something at the end of this video. But thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Bye.